Alright, so by the time I'm recording this video, this is Easter Sunday, but it probably won't be posted on Easter Sunday because it's like nighttime right now. Here, it's still pretty light out, but it's like 6:30. Yeah, so I'm just gonna be reviewing a little Easter Lego set we got today. It's the Easter Skater Pod. Here's the bag. It says it has how many pieces? 36 pieces. And it doesn't have a set number actually. It just shows this little bag. It's a little exclusive. Yeah, let's get on with the set. Okay, so here's the cute little pod that it comes in. There's this little reflective thing. Shows the egg opening. It's really cute. If you open it up, the nicest surprise is what's inside. There's the Easter Skater minifig. There's these cool little wings. This could be a Lego minifig series, if you ask me. There's a little chickie helmet. That's actually a nice looking little kid face, actually. Yeah. This is him. Just goes on this little stand right here. There's a nice sticker behind him that actually I think that's a print because it came on there. I didn't put it on. It didn't come with any stickers. And then otherwise, on the skater pod, there's a trophy over here. Rabbit right here. I'll show you the rabbit. Here's the rabbit. I'm just trying to hold him so you guys can see it. Here's the rabbit. Just goes on a little skate. Trophy. Oh, something fell off. Oh, the rabbit fell off. The rabbit. I had to fall off. As my cousin would say. Make sure to check them out at Train Tours for YouTube viewers. Yeah, so there's flowers, the little stream right over here. Flowers right here. Stream over here. Down there's some little rocks right there. Yeah. Yeah, this is the Easter Skater Pod. I don't know how much this thing's cost. It's pretty small, so I think it's pretty cheap. But maybe just like printing makes it cost extra. But I don't know. Yeah. Also, I don't think that I showed this in the video yet, but look up there. We do have the shelving unit up now. We have the shelving unit. It's finally up. All Legos and everything. Mountain Police, Arctic, everything. It's finally up. So also, if you look behind me, I do have a new display. I have this cool little dune buggy me and my friend built. It's kind of this little war that's going on back here. Something fell. That's me. I fell down. Who cares? Let's lift this back up. Lift me back up. I put on this cool little mask. Yeah. My face is of course this camera. Yeah, so thanks guys for watching. Make sure to click like if you like this video and subscribe. Goodbye.